There is always so much buzz around elections. I mean, कितना कुछ होता है elections पे करने के लिए. Rallies, speeches, extensive traveling, impromptu meetings. Manage कैसे करते हैं सबको? Well, most of them end up getting something called an election campaign vehicle. Which is like their chalta firta office on wheels. Election campaign vehicles कई टाइप के बनते हैं, but what we are gonna see today is a super luxurious election campaign vehicle which has been done on Mercedes Sprinter. Now let's begin the tour. Now what is interesting here is the roof. If you look at the roof, very beautifully a PA system with the lights has been integrated here. A PA system is a public announcement system that enables the politician to deliver the speeches to their supporters right from the vehicle. Do you see these grab handles? These are designed especially for PSOs. Now we have covered the exterior, but before we step inside, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss on any exciting tours like this. Let's step inside. In here, this is the master seat. This is the leader seat. This is a 25.5-inch seat which has all the controls right here onto the touch panel. Check this out. You can be sitting right here and deliver speeches to your supporters, and so that supporters get a good look at you, the focus lights are right here. Another awesome feature of this seat is that it rotates. That means you can have a quick meeting with your party members on the go. Now, at the back, we have 6 more seats for the party members, and each of these seats has been designed to be very comfortable for long travels. If you see closely, each seat has cuff support as well as a recline function. Each seat also has a small screen so that you can review the communication, the presentations, the videos while you're on the go. There is also a small storage area as well as table for added convenience. Now, when you're traveling for campaigning, there might or might not be facilities available for the use. To ensure that your hygiene and convenience is taken care of, there's a small washroom at the back. How important you think it is to have a washroom in a vehicle? Let me know in the comment section. Now, when you're traveling as a political figure, privacy matters a lot. And to ensure that you have privacy from the outside world, right here we have power blinds. I am in love with this roof. Look at the play of lights. There is direct light, indirect light, reading lights, a mix of white, warm white, yellow, blue, everything making this cabin so beautiful and inviting. From campaign speeches to private meetings, this Mercedes Sprinter customized by DC2 is more than just a vehicle. It is a statement of power, comfort and sophistication. Go ahead and share this video with somebody you think would need a vehicle like this.